Hello everyone. So what we are seeing right here is our third episode of the Sarkar show. So, first of all, before we get into another amazing Scratch tutorial, I would want to say you do not need to copy any of the costumes or backdrops, which is a big reason why I didn't actually show you how I made this. And another thing, since I made my setting on the moon, I'll be using limited gravity effects. So if you are not planning on making your game set in the moon, it will be if you'd like, you can easily not add the zero gravity, limited gravity effects. So anyways, let's get straight into this. One green flag click forever, if, and another if, key right arrow pressed. We would like to, let's move change x by 5. Now, what we'd like to do is kind of do a very similar script for the left key. If left arrow pressed, change x by -5, because negative numbers move us in the opposite direction. Now, if you're logged in, you can save now and click that green flag. This is some pretty smooth movement, as I like to see. So yeah. Now, what we'd also like is do a kind of zero gravity floaty effect when we jump. So what we could do is when space key pressed, repeat 10 times, another repeat 10 times, change y by 15, and then we can also change y by -15, so -15. And also just quickly set to 0. Set y. Now you have it right there. So now you have it straight in the middle, and 3, 2, 1 is not doing anything, and the moment we do this, it's doing it. So that's some pretty cool gravity things. If you'd like, I could reduce this number maybe to about 12 and -12. Now let's see this number again. Much better for the moon. So now we have nice movement scripts and decent jump, you could say. Now, what we'd like to do in the next episode is cover basic crevice folding. Anyways, we'll be doing that in the next episode. I hope you have an amazing day after this tutorial. Anyways, see you.